Yeah, my friend. Again, I have returned in front you with my another short, simple action, efforts, and work. In this work, I want to say that what is my valuable capital in my life? Yeah, my friend, the answer of this question is my valuable capital in my life is the beautiful world, the big sky, the energetic sun, the huge unlimited sunlight, and also the fresh air. All the ingredients are my valuable capital in my life. Actually, I have come in the world or I have born in the world without any signature on any contact paper. I have come here, I have come in the world with my own energy. That's why I don't feel lonely. That's why I never feel alone because the world is mine. I am the owner of this world. I am the owner of this energetic sun. I am the owner of this huge sunlight. That's why I always feel that I am a rich man. I am a powerful man. I always think that it is possible for me to do any work in the world because I am the owner of this world. Guys, if you really want to be a energetic, powerful man, you always think that or you have to think that you are not poor. You are a rich man because you are the owner of this world. You are the owner of the energetic sun. Okay guys, that's all. Bye for now.